There it is. Sweet. I don't know. Okay, my Gmail's still loading, so it's taking a second. But we can maybe start the quiz then, and yeah, we can see that as soon as it goes.
All right. Sounds good. All right.
Wow, it's like super slow in here.
I'm sorry about that. That must be frustrating.
Yeah, I'm actually at one of the BYUI study rooms,
Oh, really?
and so I figured we'd have like I'd be fine with internet here. Oh, there it is. Okay.
I'm gonna wait here.
So let's see. First question.
Can you get my backpack? If not, that's okay. All right, so the first one's talking about the 9 questions. We'll review the PTC tasting study. It's talking about it as if we should know what that means.
Okay, yeah, what in the world does that mean? I don't know. But I'm pretty sure that to get, let's see.
Yeah, there's nothing to download for it, but maybe they give us all the info.
So P1 is the females and P2 is the males. And I believe that it said P1 70 out of
Or
I'm trying to figure
52
out what
out of
the
70.
yeah. So I think that's our p hat. It's 52 divided by 70.
All right.
So on that I got 0.743 if I round it.
Sounds good.
43. Okay, and then the p hat for P2 is just the other numbers. What is that one?
49, or sorry, 42 out of 59.
42 out of 59.
So
Okay,
7,
so
1, 2.
yes, that's funny because I have a hard time reading that sentence. I'm like, why is it so confusing?
Yeah, they like wrote it backwards. They give the total and then the lower number.
Awesome.
All right.
Okay, let's see. What was their question? Let's see. So will it be different? So I know that it's one of the ones that the alternative is not equal to,
Sounds good.
but I don't understand how to decide. Oh, well, wouldn't it just be the last one because it's p hat we're using?
Yeah, that sounds good.
I hope so. I guess we can submit it and find out. Yeah.
Because in this one so is it comparing males and females? That's the whole idea. Comparing males to males and females to females, right?
Yeah, but the only reason why I went with that is because it says, who can taste the PTC different from the proportion? So it didn't say like greater or less than.
Okay.
I don't know. I could be wrong. I'm gonna go with that one. And then if you want to choose another, we could do that too. I'm not sure.
That sounds okay too.
Okay, so what is the point estimate for the 95% confidence interval? Okay, I feel like this we should just be able to plug into that
The
Excel
accept-
thing. Yeah.
And that would be under the 2 proportions tab, right?
Maybe. Let me see. I'm not sure. I think you're right.
Yeah, because we have an X1 and an X2 and an N1 and an N2.
Yes, that makes sense then.
Okay. All right, so I'll just do for X1, I'll do the females. So The x
I
will,
think
go ahead.
isn't that it's okay, I don't know, but this is how I think it's gonna be like the order of a fraction. You know how you know, because like I feel like you understood how the fraction was supposed to look.
Hmm.
I think that's the order of the way you input those x and n, x and n.
Yeah, like the n will be the total and x is the one that's less than that.
Okay, so what did you put for the first one?
I'm doing females first, so x would be 52, n would be 70, and then the males 42 and 59.
Awesome. And 59, correct?
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then the type of test, I think that's where it's supposed to be P1 is not equal to P2. Because isn't this supposed to be for the difference? That's why I'm confused on that.
Yeah, so let's see. The point estimate. On this one,
Well,
is the.
because,
Go ahead.
sorry, I keep thinking out loud and it interrupts you. Okay, is the point estimate, oh, it's different. Never mind. I see the next question says confident margin of error, but I'm not sure how to get the point estimate. Let's see. Let me see.
It's
Point estimate.
a super simple one, but yeah, I know it's a little bit different than before.
So wait, do you know what number 6 is?
I don't.
No.
See what's the point estimate for that. I
Point
mean, given
estimate,
that
that's, go ahead.
it's telling us the, I'm guessing it would be something off of the Excel document because it's giving us the confidence interval. So is that the p hat values in the descriptive statistics box?
Maybe, because I don't know, that doesn't really ring a bell. Point estimate. What? Let me see if I have a note. Sometimes I'll write things down and.
Yeah, let me see what it.
Okay. Oh, okay. I have something that says the point estimate is the X bar or the T bar or the sample mean. What does that mean? Does that help you?
Yeah, X bar, T bar, or sample mean.
Yeah. X bar, T bar, or sample mean. So, wait, the sample mean, we learned last lesson something about the sample mean being the same as, what did we learn? Let's see. Oh, let's see. That didn't help much either, actually. I don't know what a sample mean is for this. Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, maybe I do. I have a guess. Let me see if I can do it with this one. Because didn't they give us like a whole little data thing? Yeah. So would it be adding I don't know if I would be adding let's see, total? The totals all the way, or the total divided by, even just divided by, because the mean of the sample, let's see. Isn't the mean of the sample the average of the sample?
Right.
Okay, so the sample in this case is 52 and 59? No, 70 and 59?
So yeah, for men it's 52 and 70. But I mean, was your question the population or the size of the samples?
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. 70 and 59.
70 plus 59. Oh, this give me the same total. That's weird. Do you think would that just be divided by 2? I'm not sure. No. Okay, maybe we'll go to the next one because I like tried getting an average, but I don't know what to divide that number by.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'll just throw in the p-value. We'll see. And see how that goes.
All right. Good
All right.
luck. Let me know if it works.
Yeah.
All
The
right. The margin of error is pretty easy. That's good.
yeah. Sounds good.
That one is just going to be the upper confidence interval minus the lower divided by 2.
Mm-hmm.
Upper 0.185 minus the lower.
I got 0.153, or sorry, 154.
0.54. Okay, I'm going to take your word for it. So I don't have
Yeah.
to do it on my calculator.
Yeah, 0.154.
0.154. Okay. And then what is the lower bound? That
Negative
is the,
123.
yeah. Wait, so negative point, okay. 1, 2, 3. That threw me off. I was like, is it really 1, 2, 3? It is.
Yeah.
And the upper,
0.185.
you know what? I think you're probably right about that point estimate.
I hope
I bet,
so.
I think so, because or could it be the Z? Okay, you do the P and I'll do the Z.
Sounds good.
Okay, 0.394, 0.394. Okay. And then 10. So what did they say our p-value is 0.69, which is greater than our confidence interval, which means that I think we failed to reject.
That would mean you reject the null.
Wait, really?
Yeah. That's what we're trying to do always is reject the null. And if it's above
Wait,
the level of significance, then
so,
we're able to do that.
okay, but I'm thinking that because the p-value is greater than the level of significance, we don't reject the null.
Level of significance. Okay. What was the
Because the level of significance was 0.05, right? And then the p-value was what we compare it to, which is 0.693.
0.692?
I'm pretty sure.
Which is greater, so okay. Well, I'll try D and see how that goes.
Okay, sounds good. I guess we'll find out. One of us is gonna get it.
Yeah.
Let
And
me
this
see.
statement.
Yeah, okay. Which of the following, so now we're gonna have different statements though, which is okay.
Yeah.
So we
Is
have insufficient evidence. For mine, there's insufficient evidence. And I'm gonna go with D.
okay.
Yeah, pretty sure. Okay, we will see.
And so that's what we're testing for, right? Is just that they're different, not that one is greater than.
I didn't see anything that said less than or greater than,
Yeah.
so I'm assuming that. But yeah, I didn't see anything in the big, like, because I know that is in the information part.
Yeah.
Um, P test, the population test, the research questions, and the proportion of taste different from the. No, I think we're just testing for difference.
Okay, sounds good.
And mm, this is long. I hate reading these things. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to do this, dang it.
Hmm.
Okay, so to prove if the conditions were satisfied, we have to use the formula. I seriously just used it. Oh, it's the NP hat is greater than 10, and
Oh,
then the other one, which is N parentheses 1 minus P hat, is greater than 10. And so we have to do that for both. I don't know what it's like. Looks like it's two sets of data. I don't know why, but wait, let me see. Yeah, I think I have to do it for both numbers.
so we would do it like I guess it gives us the x in the end. It tells us what it is.
Yeah. So what? Okay, you're like better at this, I think, than I am. So out of this, okay. So is this fraction for the first sentence 116,713 divided by the 11,8519?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think the survives numbers really matter since we're just talking about the people who died and the total.
Well, I feel like we have to use, well, I don't know. See, I'm confused again because like I
Yeah.
know that you, well, so for the homework, as I already did the homework and I did pretty well on it, but I know that what I did is I used both of those numbers to make a fraction because that's what gives us the p hat.
Hmm.
Um,
Yeah, I think 'cause about how many people die on the weekday and how many people die on the weekend. So I think we can just, what I was thinking is we can ignore the survived numbers and just do died out of total for the weekday and then died out of total for the weekend. Does that sound reasonable or is that not what you did that worked out?
well, because right now it's asking just for if the hypothesis test was satisfied.
Yeah,
And
we can crunch
and
the numbers, see what they.
yeah, let's see what happens. Make you stronger, a little taller. I'm still actually. Sorry, what was that?
I was looking for those. It's. I think I found it. So it's just n times p hat, right? Is greater than or equal to 10.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep, yep. These numbers are so big, it's like hard to keep track.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna work on the first one.
Yeah. I don't know. It's something like 2,000 at least from what I got.
Okay.
So I don't know. I guess let me know. That's for weekday.
Okay. And then the other one is
Yeah. So I mean, at least the the P times N is definitely over 10.
yeah, that's true. And so then we just have to test for the second one,
Hmm.
which is a lot of math again.
Yeah.
But yeah, because I know, for example, on the homework, the answer will be like false because one of the tests actually gives you like a different, like a smaller number than 10,
Hmm.
and it's in the second one.
Okay.
I don't know. I think both of these will be satisfied.
Yeah, they're really big numbers. So okay.
Yeah, I hope. Yeah, that makes sense. All right. Which of the hypotheses is okay? Again, it's one of the not equal to's. I don't understand why. I feel like right now any of these would be the p hat ones.
Yeah.
Oh wait, actually I didn't read the paragraph. Let me read that again. Maybe it says, does it ever say less than or greater than or anything like that?
Yeah. Who die less than the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, then let's do that one. Let's do the p hat. Oh wow, none of these are p hat with the less than though, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know. Well, I still feel like less than is appropriate for it.
Yeah, that's the question. Is it less than? Well, the weekend is the P2, so yeah. Yeah, I think it's D, I guess.
Okay.
Right. Then this other one we already did, right?
Well, we've done it. I feel like, is that the 16713 divided by 118519?
Yeah. So let me just make sure.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Did you get 0.41?
I'm sure I did. I'm just gonna redo it real quick.
Wait, 0.141, I think.
0.141. Yeah.
Yeah. Is that what you got? And then the other one is Okay, I got 0.14. Wait, did I get the same number? Did I do the same numbers? Yes, I did. Okay,
Yeah. So
let me,
0.145.
let me see. What did you say?
0.145.
Yes, me too. Okay. And then our z-score. So we just need to put that in the applet again, or the thing. Okay. So this time we'll do the less than at the bottom. And then our first number will be, yeah, that order.
In the negative 13
What am I looking for again?
of the z-score.
Oh, I got a different z-score. Am I doing it? Maybe I did it wrong. Let me see. Okay, what did you put for x and n and x and n?
16713 and 118519, and then 6155, and then 36292. Oh, that's probably where I did it wrong. Yeah, it's supposed to be 42. 447.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Try that, and then change your type of testing, unless you already did.
Yeah, so negative 2.02.
Yes. Okay. That scared me.
Yeah, thanks for double checking.
No problem. Let's see. Negative 2.02. Yeah. 020. Okay. And given the z-score from the last question, what would you shade to the left or to the right for the p-value? Well, what is a p-value? P-value is positive, so I would shade to the right.
Sounds good.
Wait, is that right? Yeah, it is.
And
Wait,
then
which side's negative on the applets?
I think
I
it's
forgot.
I think it's left. Yeah.
Okay, I always like get that confused.
And then the p-value, I guess, is 0.022.
The p-value is 0.0. Let me check. I think you're probably right. We have the same data now. Yep. And yeah, so I said shade to the right, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good. I just checked the picture. Yeah. What is the decision for this? So 0.02 is smaller than the p-value, right?
Yeah.
I mean, than the level of significance.
Right. So that would be reject or fail to reject the number.
Yeah. I think this is where we kind of differ, but so for me, if the p-value is smaller, then I reject.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but I could be wrong because I know that's something you were not agreeing with earlier.
Okay. Well, I guess we'll see how it goes. I'll just submit first, and then we'll know pretty quickly because those are like 50-50 options.
They really are. And then after that, our next answer will be a little different too, though. So
Yeah.
reject. So there is sufficient evidence for me. Okay, so I went with C for mine.
Okay, and I'll do B, I guess.
Okay, so do you want me to wait to submit?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't ask you how your day's been or anything.
Oh, it's been busy. How's yours?
Yeah, had a few classes and I already had a tutor appointment, but yeah.
Nice. All right. Well, looks like the good news is that it looks like you were right about those. So that's encouraging.
Okay, let me go submit it then, and
Hold
then
on.
we'll see what I've missed.
There might be a couple that we can work out other than that. Let's see.
Oh,
It
that's true.
says, did we have the same answer on, I don't think we had the same answer on 5, did we? Or we might have.
I don't know. So I clicked submit, but I think it's still gonna be like, are you sure? And then I can be like, no. Okay, let me see. Number 5. Click on
Did you put
5.
D?
Let's see. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry my internet's so slow. It's like still loading 5 for me.
That's okay.
A, B, C, D. I put D.
All right, so that's wrong.
Awesome. That's funny. Why? Let's see. What?
What
It's
else
got to
is?
be in the question. Let's see.
Yeah, so it's
I
not like greater than or less, and it's about just about it being different. So it has to be the other not equal to one. So A.
Okay. And then did we get the other one right then?
Which one?
The one where we also picked like different. Let me see if I can scroll to
Oh
it.
yeah, 6. 6 I got wrong.
What
Point.
did you get for 13?
Uh, there's a few other ones that are wrong too. 13 I got correct. It was D.
Okay.
Is that
Which
what
other
you
one
had?
did we get wrong? Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just start from the top and work down.
Okay.
So there was that one, and then 6 is not 0.693. Did you get 6 correct?
Let me see. Okay. Mm. Oh, this is because,
Or
oh,
was it
see, that's
different?
the one I'm gonna see in a second if I get right. Because
Okay.
remember we guessed on the point estimate? No idea.
So at least we know it's not the p-value that I chose. The
Okay.
next one we missed was the next one that I missed was 10. So
Number 10.
yeah, which was reject. So you might have put failed to reject. So you might have put A. Is that right for 10?
Yeah.
Okay, so that might be correct. And then 11 might be correct for you. Let's
Yeah,
see.
because I went with D.
Okay, and the 17, the correct answer is to the left.
What? I know nothing.
Sorry.
That's awful. I have
Yeah,
no idea why it would be to the left.
and then 19, the correct answer is reject the null.
Oh, wait. It's actually, I understand 17 because the z-score. So it says, I didn't read all the way. So it says, given the z-score of the last question, which way would you change? And our z-score was negative 2.020.
Oh,
So that was just,
what
and
would
then
it?
which other one?
Um, then yeah, 19. The correct answer is reject the null.
Okay.
I think that's what you have. And all right,
And then 20 you
that's it.
probably got wrong too, right? So that should be C for you. If I get it right.
Okay, okay.
Okay, it's gonna submit one of these days. Hmm. It won't take my test. It's stressing me out. All the questions are saved, so I know it'll be okay, but
Yeah.
I don't know why it won't submit for me. Okay, while it does that, I'll see if my, wow, the internet is just so lame here because the hasn't loaded. Submit quiz. Yes, submit. Okay, so it's been submitted in a second or two. It will give me a total.
All right. I'll start a second attempt, I guess.
Okay, so the only one I've missed is probably, let's see. There, it's coming up. I missed something. Where is it? Oh yeah, I have no idea what the point estimate is. I picked I put something, mine answer was 0.394, which I think
Oh,
was like the
the Z-score, I
Z.
think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But besides that, it's still an A.
Okay. Cool. All right.
Do you
Can
have
you?
any questions on that one?
Yeah, I guess I opened up the second attempt. Can you remind me of
Yeah.
multiple choice ones, I guess?
Yes. So let's see. The first one, question 3, it's 0.743.
Mm-hmm.
The number fourth one is 0.712.
Okay.
And then A for question 5.
All right.
And then 0.394.
Cool.
And then 0.154.
All right.
And then negative 0.123.
Okay.
For the upper bound, 0.185.
Okay.
And then A, fail to reject.
Nice.
And then D, there is insufficient evidence. And
All
then
right.
12 is true.
Okay.
13 is D.
All right.
14 is 0.141.
All right.
And 0.145.
Cool.
And negative 2.020. And then to the left,
Yep.
and then 0.022.
Cool.
And then reject the null.
Nice.
And then C.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Thanks so much for working through that with me.
Yeah, and then I just really wanted to send you that though for the Gmail. Let me see if it's gonna,
Okay.
I think. Do you have to leave like now? Because you leave at 50, right?
I can wait a couple minutes. That's fine.
Okay. Let me go send it to you though, then.
Because we really should, yeah, get on that.
Send, it's like send Garrett email, right? Or
Mm-hmm.
send Garrett mail.
Email.
Oh, okay, sorry. Send Garrett email at gmail.com.
Yep. And Garrett is just Garrett.
Okay.
So were we all supposed to submit the design the study individually?
I think we were. And so what I'll do is I'll email it to the professor.
Okay.
We have to, but unfortunately, I don't know, because we haven't really agreed on anything, but
When's the next thing due for that? The next step?
let me see. Actually, I don't know. Do you mind looking that up while I try to send this to you?
Yeah. Let me see.
And where I left the thing I just made.
So we have on the 18th. There's a design the study self-report quiz. Looks like that's the
Okay,
next
so
thing.
that's the, I actually opened that up already.
Yeah.
And it's just 3 questions about stuff we need to do with the design.
Okay.
Just trying to save
And
this
there's also
paper.
an IRB quiz, it looks like. Approval quiz.
That's interesting. Because like I think what I'll do is I know where I can take it. Oh no, actually, all we have to do is submit it to this website that they give us for it to be approved that we can do it.
Hmm. Okay, that
And
makes sense.
so yeah, so we need to do that as soon as we agree on it.
Okay.
So okay, I was gonna do it with cars
Yeah.
that it might be a really hard done, but so then what I decided to do is just do it on brands. So you still have the same.
Hmm.
So let's see if I can attach it. So what we do is we're gonna go to like, you would do 25, I would do 25 cars, and you go around the 4 tires and see what brands of tires they have, and then we record that. And so then we are gonna come up with a big list of the different brands of tires we saw,
Hmm.
and then basically title this document.
Sounds good. Can
And
we do like
then
30 or 35 just to make sure that we can argue it's going to be normally distributed?
yeah, yep.
Okay.
So that's why I was thinking. So yeah, 30 or 35. If you wanted to do 15 cars, I did 15 cars. I went as far as saying 25 you and 25 me, so we'd have a total of 50 cars. Because then
Oh,
that's 200 tires.
yeah, I guess it's the same sample group. It's not like they're separate groups, so that'll work fine.
And then I filled out all of the info on it. Where did it go? It's like not there. Documents. I literally just saved it. Like I can see the document on my computer right here, and then I just can't attach it. I don't know why. Let me see if I can do that one more time. That way. Save. And then it's going to be a simple random sample because we're going to like roll a die to see what car we start on.
Hmm.
Desktop. There it is. I found it. Okay, open. Okay, I think it went. I think it's sent. So give it a little bit and you should be able to open it. If you have any chance, even if it's like super late tonight, to just text me like, yeah, I agree with this. Or like, no. We could always submit this, and then if we all decide that we actually don't like it, come up with a new plan, then we can maybe do a resubmission.
Okay. Yeah, I'm reading it right now. It looks good. And I'm sure Cheryl will be on board too. So I guess for now we'll call it approved, and we can meet. It might be good to have a separate meeting dedicated to this. So I mean, I'm willing to do that tomorrow. I mean, yeah, as long as we can all talk about it, I think it'd be worth it.
The what is it called? That quiz. When did you say that was due?
The 18th.
Actually, still met on Wednesday like we planned. We would still be on time.
Okay. As long as we set aside some
But
extra
what we
time.
are that it's kind of more you and I, because Cheryl is in another state and I know that you're here. If we ever have the chance the sample comes from BYUI parking lots.
Yeah.
So either we don't have to meet together, but like it does have to be, we randomly select the parking lots.
Okay.
And we do that by like, you know how there's like north side, south side. I know they all have those labels. There's like 4 labels.
Yeah. I mean, I
And
can
then
do
we,
stuff over by the Smith building.
mhm.
Yeah,
And yeah,
sort
and
of.
so then you just do it every 4th car, and then literally we can even just, like you can do it on an Excel sheet, or you can do it just paper and pencil, just what you're seeing, but then you have to get that data to Cheryl somehow, and I would do the same way.
Okay.
Um,
Sounds good.
that's the
Yeah.
only thing really.
Can we
Okay.
create like a Google Sheets thing that we can just enter it into?
Yeah, honestly, if you want to like start that, or I can start it sometime, but if you just start it, send it to all of us, like title it car project or something, we all know what that is,
Okay.
and I'll know what to do with it.
All right. Sounds good.
Alrighty, so I'm
Cool.
gonna go ahead and submit that to be approved.
Sounds great.
Okay, bye, have a good day at work.
Thanks. See ya.